A very good evening to all of you, respected chairperson and co-chairperson of this session, and respected dignitaries present out here. I am Dalimi Devi, Librarian of Adia Vidyapeeth College, and today I am going to talk on the topic online teaching and perceived stress among undergraduate students during coronavirus disease 19 pandemic. As you know, the effects of coronavirus pandemic has prompted most universities around the world to shift towards online education, and because of which learners were in a stage of dilemma. Now the situation is either you have to adopt online teaching or perish. Pandemic has changed our formal education, and these new online learning methods affected the students psychologically, and students are in stress. And we know that the stress is the condition which disturbs the normal psychological and physiological functions of individual. Hence, it has been seen that delays in this learning procedure because of lockdown adds to the uncertainty regarding the future of the students. And our paper aims to find out the predominant sources of stress during this lockdown among undergraduate students community. And is there any relationship between present online classes and stress? And we also try to find out how do the science, arts, and commerce studies connect with the online learning approach. For the study, we have done online survey on science, arts, and commerce graduate students in the colleges under Guwahati University. A total of 310 students participated in the study, and all the students voluntarily participated in the survey, and data from all students was collected through online survey link created by the authors on Google Form. The study group consists of all the students from degree first to sixth semesters. The questionnaire comprised of 3 sections, and the questionnaire also scores their stress level during lockdown and during the online learning programs. Maximum colleges under Guwahati University have started e-learning process with the help of teaching tools, for example, Zoom, Cisco WebEx, Google Meet, GoToMeeting, Join.me, Apache Open Meetings, etc. Till the time of this study, some colleges had not started yet digital learning process. And students from different colleges were requested to take part in the survey designed on the basis of perceived stress score scale. Two groups were made. One group who took part in the online classes and another one without having any computer knowledge. Comparative statement prepared of stress score in both the groups. The same questionnaire was distributed to the students in both the groups, and at the same time, their stress was scored and compared. Basic questions gathered information on gender and location, etc. during lockdown, also collected. And total 300 students participated and data were analyzed. We have divided the groups into two. Group 1, students which properly participated in online class, and another one, group 2, not participated in online class. And in order to avoid any gender bias, efforts are made to collect data from almost equally distributed samples. It may be noticed from table 1 that data collected from 162 male students and 148 female students. And this paper aimed to find out the nationwide lockdown has caused significant stress among college students as the educational institutions are shut down and no traditional teaching methods and communication with their teachers. We have found the significant difference in the level of stress among two groups of the students. The students who continued learning by regular online methods were having less level of stress in comparison to those who had no exposure to any digital tools. And we have seen from the table that there are female having high percentage of stress than male students. And after analyzing the individual responses of every questions, maximum percentage of students responded with sometimes as their answer. And our study findings concludes by saying that maximum students are in favor of online interactive session in this pandemic situation. And our findings that students are strongly supportive of digital online learning. And in this present lockdown scenario, e-learning approach has acted as major key to relieve the stress among undergraduate students who were away from conventional teaching methods in the college due to nationwide lockdown in India. It had decreased the academic performance based perceived stress level and has given a positive hope and motivation to the undergraduate students. And in long run, interventional studies should be conducted to show the effects of e-learning interventions on not only perceived stress but also on academic performance. Thank you.